Welcome to XISM. The system consists of 4 modules: File Management, Graph Control, Map Evaluation. If you encounter any issues while using the system, you can click the Help button on the right side of the screen. You can click the Download Guide button to obtain the sample data. You can also click the Example button to quickly try the system's XAML. You can also upload your own Excel file, formatted according to the guidelines. Click the Upload button to proceed with the upload. The graphs will appear in a few seconds. Your Excel file should contain 3 parts: languages, forms, manually defined semantic features. If ground truth data is available, please place it in Sheet 2. The system will automatically generate 5 candidate semantic maps. It will also rigorously evaluate each map. You can check the connectivity status of each form through the form filter. If there are unconnected forms, please click the Merge button. The system automatically merges edges to increase coverage. You can edit the edges in the graph. For example, you can select 2 nodes, set the weight, and add an edge. You can also freely delete edges in the graph. The system supports customizing the image style. You can lay out the map by dragging and then beautify it. After completing all operations, you can download your personalized image. That is all. We look forward to your use. Thank you for watching.